here I am again, and little doggy's coming again. Hi, baby. Hello, little dog. Come on. Come on, silly. Yeah, you look slow today, huh? What? You sleeping? All right, come on. Come on. Oh, there we are. Well, I haven't worked on this 1939 Motorola radio for a while, and I was thinking I'm going to try to see if I can use this Nevr Dull stuff on the chassis to see if I can clean it up some. I mean, it's not rusty, it's just kind of like tarnished or something, I guess you'd say. But there's no rust at all on it. But underneath the chassis, it's really super clean and shiny. So I don't know why the rest of it wouldn't be like that, except that it's just, you know, really dull and dirty looking. But what do you think, dog? And it's still in the 90s here in northern Nevada. We are in, actually, this is Lemon Valley, spelled L-E-M-M-O-N, which is named after the family who originally started the town, actually. This is actually a suburb of Reno. We are exactly 10 miles north of the downtown Reno casinos. And there's always something going on here. Unfortunately, it rained last week when they had the Hot August Nights car show, so I wasn't able to go there. I did last year, but wasn't able to go this year. But there's been some stuff going around, at least. There are sort of things going on all the time. What are you burying yourself for? What? Here, you want to smell this stuff? This will make you run off. It smells like shoe polish. This Nevr Dull stuff. Here, you like it? Here, you like it? Isn't it good stuff? Huh? Isn't that good stuff? I didn't think you'd like that too much. Yeah, so there's always something going on around the weekend. And then actually the big thing is going to be the air show, which will come out over at the Stead Airport. I am exactly 1 mile from the airport, straight up the road from my place here, right up Military Road, all the way to the airport, and that's where they always have all the air races go on there, the Reno air races. That's where they have those. So those will be coming up pretty soon too. But anyway, so I'm going to get this dog off of me, and we're going to see what I can do with this chassis over here. I guess this would be like part 5 or something like that of working on this radio, since it's been so long that I haven't worked on this radio. Oh, there you go, dog. Oh. Let's see if we can set this up. Whoop, get out of the way, dog. Whoop. He goes running off. Alright, I have my overhead lighting on, so let's see if we can get down a little closer. And I don't know how well this will show up, but anyway, you can see that the way that looks, it is really dull looking. And this is really kind of weird stuff. It's almost like some kind of a wool, actually, and it smells like shoe polish. So let's find out what it does. I don't know if it'll change it at all. It might just polish what's there. I don't know. Well, doing something. I'd probably have to really rub it pretty hard to get it done. But there is no rust. No rust at all, which is kind of amazing. since it's from 1939. Well, it seems to be doing something. If it doesn't clean it up, it's polishing it up. Yeah. I'd clean it up some. I could probably do better with steel wool, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. And I'm going to have to restring this thing too because the dial cord is all broken. You can see it right there. It's supposed to go around there, and it's got all these rollers. There is one there, but it's actually the old string that's kind of like busted. So I'm going to have to restring it. But I don't think I have any dial cord around here, so I'll have to probably get some. Well, we'll see. I wonder if it does anything up here. Notice that was dirty too. Well, cleans it up some. Even the cans get a little bit, actually look shinier. Let's try this one. That's the only problem, is the wool kind of gets stuck on the stuff sticking up. Well, it kind of looks like it's polished, but it doesn't get much cleaner. I mean, that's what it looks like there, but actually the chassis is doing better. Let's see if it does anything in the back. Let's see. Kind of like polishes it up. Let's see. See if it does on the top of the transformer. Yeah, it'll clean that up pretty good. That was just dirty anyway. Yeah, that's working. It's cleaning that up. Actually polishing it up so you can see the paint again. That's good. Don't have to repaint it. But yeah, so I don't know. It seems like it's working. Now here, I'll show you the spot. Let me get this out of here. That spot right there, this little clean spot, that was done with an eraser. But we'll see what we can do here. Well, I think it might work. I'll just kind of keep on rubbing this thing down. Go over the whole thing. We'll see if we can get it. See how dirty it gets. It does put all the dirt up off the thing. So it'll clean it up. It may not look perfectly shiny, but it'll be clean. Nothing else. And like I said, it's already cleaned up the transformer pretty good. And I'll go ahead and there you go. The number 80 rectifier. Pull that out of there. Takes off the marking pen. I used to mark the tube number. But no, it's working. It'll just take me a while, I think. Whoop. That speaker is actually in pretty good shape too. Look at that, it's gold, and that wasn't resprayed either. That's the original, because all the stenciling is still on it. So as far as I know, no one's ever replaced it. So this is the one from 1939. So, but I guess it's working. I'm just gonna have to get in every crack and corner and clean all this out. So all I really gotta do is just get the tubes out, clean it. So yeah, look at that. I'd say that's working pretty well. It's better than I thought. Okay, so that's working. Pull that guy out. I'm having to push pretty hard to get it done, but it's getting done. All right. There. Oh yeah. So that'll look okay. Good enough. Good enough for me anyway. I don't know if it's good enough for everybody else, but it's good enough for me. And tube I replaced. That one there. The 80 actually I replaced too. And this is number 41. Didn't have to replace that one. It still tested out good. So I do have other 41s though. I do have a lot of old tubes. Luckily I bought a whole bunch off of eBay and a lot of 117 tubes. That's where I got a lot of all of my old tubes and stuff. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna work okay. I'm just gonna have to keep on working at it, but pretty sure I can clean it up. And maybe I'll try some more, even some steel wool on it too. So this will basically polish it. You can see it's taking all the dirt off. And so yeah, I think it's gonna work. So I'll clean this thing up. So that'll be it for now. See you again.